Storing your wig correctly is key to prolonging its lifespan. Today I'm going to show you how to store synthetic and human hair wigs. When you first receive your wig, it will come packaged nicely in a box. Once you receive it, we recommend unpackaging it and storing it using an alternative solution. So I'm going to first talk about a wig head and why we recommend storing your wig on one of these. There are two main storage solutions we recommend, one being the wig tree stand and another being the wig head. So I'm going to run through the benefits of using this now. One of the benefits of using a wig head is that it can actually be fixed using a wig clamp. And we also recommend using dressmaking pins to keep your wig in place when styling. This is a suction wig clamp that can be found on our website, and I'm going to show you how to use it with a wig head. So all you're going to do is pop it on the table like so. The head has a hole in it, and all you're going to do is pop the head onto the clamp. Then we're just going to use this little lever to suction it to the table, and it shouldn't move at all. Now that you know how to secure your wig head in place, I'm going to show you how to store your wig on the head. So what you're going to want to do is run your fingers along and find these tabs. Then pop the wig onto the head and pull down at the back. I'm going to take my brush and just use it to comb out the hair. So if you have a human hair or a wig that can be styled using heat, you may want to use your heat tools on it. So we recommend using your wig head and then using dressmaking pins to hold it in place. So now I'm going to show you how to store your wig on a wig tree. So a great solution for people who love to travel is the wig tree stand, as this can be collapsed very quickly into your suitcase. So putting together your wig tree stand is super easy as it comes flat packed. So all you're going to do is take the two parts. You can see you've got this little inlet here. And all you're going to do is pop those in place. It's very bendy, so you can just drag it into the middle like so and pop the two tabs together. Make sure this is nice and straight in the middle at the bottom, like so. And once it's balancing flat on the table, you've got this little rim which you can just pop into place at the top, making sure these tabs go into these, like so. So put the wig on the tree stand is super easy. You're just going to take your wig, pop it on, then to style you're just going to pop your hand underneath and brush like so. When you first receive your wig, we recommend taking it out of the box and using an alternative storage solution. A wig tree stand like this is great because you can use it to air out the wig, which in turn will mean you probably don't have to wash it as much. So although your wig will come packaged neatly in a box when you first receive it, we do recommend using an alternative storage solution such as a wig tree stand or a wig head. This is for the benefit of it airing out quicker, being easier for styling purposes, and for longevity. All of our products can be found on our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any updates.